Hello, everyone. Welcome to Therapeutic Yoga class today. Today's class is going to be all in standing, and it is my hope that I can help you prevent falls. So what I would recommend you do for today's class is either take a yoga mat and stand up and or near a wall, or you can do what I have done and place 2 chairs onto your yoga mat, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Once you have your yoga mat near a wall or your chairs in place, go ahead and stand in the middle of your yoga mat. Have your feet approximately hip distance apart. Once you've got yourself there, line up the outside of your feet with the top and the bottom of your yoga mat. And then lift your toes up and allow yourself to start to wake up those balancing muscles of your ankles. Now, as you rock forward and backward, if you feel like your balance is compromised, stand so that you've got somewhere that you can hold onto, like your chairs or your walls. Find the weight between the balls of the toes and heels evenly distributed and between the right and the left foot, and then spread those toes nice and wide and lower your toes down onto your yoga mat. And then go to your knees and tighten through your knees and relax through your knees. Take your hands up to your pelvis, a nice little tilt, and a tuck through your pelvis. And as you tilt and tuck through your pelvis, see if you can find that point where your pelvis feels fairly level to the floor. And then try to let go of your tailbone. You'll feel the weight actually go down into your feet as you do so. Take your left hand up to your rib cage, your right hand onto your abdomen. Nice deep inhale. Lift up and into your chest and your rib cage. Hold your breath there. Then look down, find your toes. And then as you exhale, let the rib cage settle down on top of the pelvis and soften through your belly. Take your right hand up to your left hand, lightly compressing downwards and inwards. Slowly lengthen through your neck and settle through your chin. Then take your hands, rest them down to the side of your body. Lightly shrug your shoulders upwards and rotate your arms all the way open until you feel your shoulder blades coming together. Then settle down with your shoulder blades soften through your arms. Now, your first balance challenge with your eyes closed here. So in this position, allow yourself before you close your eyes to feel comfortable that you feel the balls of your big toes and the little toes and the inside and the outsides of the heels onto the floor. Then if you need to hold onto for balance, find a chair, find a wall, and then gently close your eyes. Now, as you close your eyes, take a nice, slow, deep inhale into your belly and body, and then exhaling out. Let's do 2 more breaths here, just to center ourselves. Nice, slow, deep inhale in. And exhaling out. And slow, deep inhale in. And even slower exhale out. Then gently, slowly open your eyes and allow yourself to step a little bit closer to your wall or a little bit closer to one of the chairs. Then keeping the feet still hip distance apart, not too wide, not too close together. Take a nice deep inhale and lift up onto the balls of your toes as you do your first heel raise. Keep your body nice and tall here. Then as you exhale, slowly lower those heels all the way down. 4 more times. Take an inhale, lift nice and high, up onto the balls of the toes. As you exhale, slowly lower all the way down. Nice deep inhale, lifting high up onto the balls of those toes, challenging your balance. Exhaling, slowly lowering down, and just 2 more times. Nice deep inhale, lifting nice and high. And then as you exhale, slowly lowering down. And then final time. Inhale, lifting nice and high. And exhaling and slowly lowering down. Okay, time to turn on our core as well as start to challenge our balance. So allow yourself to have the chair or the wall near you. Take your right knee and bring your right knee up towards your chest. Take your toes on your right foot and pull them up towards your chest as well. Now in this position to turn on your abdomen and your core, take your right hand onto your right thigh. Try not to push your leg downward, but rather feel like you're just pulling your leg outward away from your hip joint. Feel all of those lower abdominal muscles, your pelvic floor, everything engaging to turn on balance of your trunk. Keep yourself right here. Take a nice deep inhale in and exhaling out. And 1 more breath here. Nice deep inhale in and exhaling out. Then slowly lower that leg all the way down. Find support with your right hand on a chair or the wall. Feet are still hip distance apart. Then take that left foot and inhale as you bring it all the way up towards your chest. As you exhale, take those toes, point them up so that they're pointed up towards your chest as well. Take your left hand, turning on the core on this left leg. Place the hand onto the thigh. Don't push down, but think more like you're just pushing your leg outward. You'll feel your trunk muscles engage as you do so, as well as the right hip. Hold yourself right here. Nice deep inhale in and exhaling out. And one more breath. Nice deep inhale in and exhaling out. Then slowly lower the left leg down. Find yourself holding on with the left hand again, weight bearing down through the left leg. Take the right leg and inhale it back up into that knee to chest position. As you exhale, pull those toes back up again. Now, hold on as little with your left hand as you need to. But here's what I want you to now do. Can you close your eyes? Take an inhale in and exhaling out. One more breath. Deep inhale in. And as you exhale, slowly lower that right foot down. You've got it. Let's switch back to the opposite chair or take the right hand to the wall. Weight bear into your right leg. Take an inhale, lift the left knee up. As you exhale, pull those left toes up. Relax the left hand either on the thigh or to side. Let's find the balance with our fingers or our hand. Gently close the eyes. Nice, slow, deep inhale in and exhaling out. A nice, slow, deep inhale in. And as you exhale, open your eyes and lower the left foot down to the floor. All right, go back to finding that hip distance positioning. We've already increased some strength through our ankles. Time to increase some strength through our hips and knees here. So once you have the alignment of your feet, allow yourself to slowly start to sit back, just like you'd be sitting on a toilet. As you sit back, see if you can keep your knees stacked over the center of your ankles. Don't let your knees come too far forward over your toes. Brace into your abdominals, and then as you take an inhale, lift your arms up to shoulder level. As you exhale, relax your shoulders down away from your ears. Push down into your feet as hard as you can. Take a nice, slow, deep inhale in and an exhale out. In one more breath here, deep inhale in and exhaling out. Then as you inhale, push through the legs, pinch through the glutes, lift through the arms. And as you exhale, lower your arms all the way down. All right, we're going to do a pose that I don't think is really a yoga pose. Tightrope. Simply, all you're going to be doing is stepping one foot in front of the other, in front of the other. So come down to the bottom of your mat. Have your chair or your wall near you. Place your feet hip distance to begin. Have the chair or the wall for balance as much as you need. Then try not to look down at your feet. Take an inhale and lift the right foot up, and as you exhale, place it directly in front of that left foot. You can picture yourself on a tightrope if you'd like to. Then, with your left foot, take an inhale, lift it up off the air. As you exhale, can you place it in front of the right foot? Arms up if you want, or hold onto the wall, or hold onto the chair. Right foot, take an inhale, lift it up. As you exhale, place it directly in front of that left foot. Left foot, take an inhale, lift it up into the air, and as you exhale, place it directly in front of that right foot. One more time, each foot. Right foot, take an inhale, lift it up into the air. As you exhale, lower it down in front of the left foot. And finally, left foot, take an inhale, lift it up into the air, and as you exhale, lower it down in front of that right foot. Then slowly bring yourself back to the center of your yoga mat, near your wall or near your chairs, and then place yourself so that you've got the balance support with your left hand. Shift your weight into your left foot. Take your right heel and place your right heel on top of your left foot. Going into tree pose here, I'm going to show you 3 alternatives. You pick which one works best for your level of balance to prevent falls. Option number 1, keep resting the heel onto the top of the foot. And maybe you just try to let your hands be nice and close to the wall or chair, but you let go as often as you can. Option number 2, take that right foot and bring it up so that it matches the contour of the left calf. Knee is slightly out to the side. Once again, you can bring those arms up to balance and hold on anytime you feel you need to. Final option, you can bring the arch of the right foot up into the arch of the inside of the left thigh. The most advanced option here, whichever works the best for you, meaning that you feel like you're going to lose your balance, but you don't. That's the level you want to pick. Then allow yourself to steady your gaze somewhere. Don't look at anything moving. Take a deep inhale in and an exhaling out. One more breath. Nice, slow, deep inhale in and exhaling out. Then as you inhale, lift the right knee up towards your chest. As you exhale, lower that right foot down. Tree pose on the opposite side. So find the right hand near a chair or a wall. Place the weight into your right foot. Take your left heel and place the left heel onto the arch of your right foot. Option number 1 for tree pose, staying right here and then allowing your arms to just gently move out as you're working on challenging your balance. Remember, when you lose your balance, that's not a fail. That's not a loss. That's a challenge, which means you're getting even stronger every time you practice this. Option number 2, take the arch of the foot and place it into the arch of the calf. Intermediate tree pose. Or option number 3, arch of the foot all the way up and into the inner arch of the thigh. Pick your level of your balance challenge. Allow yourself to find your arms in as close of a balance challenge as you can and take a deep inhale in and exhaling out. And one more breath. Nice deep inhale in and exhaling out. Then as you inhale, left knee, bring it up into your chest, fire those psoas muscles, and as you exhale, lower that left foot down. Okay, star pose. Go back to having support with your left hand. I just keep going chair to chair here, and that is A-okay. Use your wall if you have no chairs near you. Keep your left hand supported onto the wall or the chair. Take all of your weight into your left foot. Now simply take your right leg and bring the right leg a little bit out to the side. Then lean slightly over to the left until the left elbow is bent or there's weight into your hand. Once you've got yourself there, take your right hand and bring it up into the air. Push down into that left big toe. Then nice deep inhale here. And as you exhale, see if you can find your beautiful star pose. Deep inhale in, exhaling out. And one more breath. Nice deep inhale in and exhaling out. Inhaling, lowering the arms, exhaling, lowering that right foot. And then shifting so that you've got support with your right hand. Right foot is on the floor. Allow yourself to take the left leg and bring it slightly out to the side. It doesn't need to be a big movement of your leg. Then allow yourself to lean and shift slightly towards the right. Once you've got yourself there, there should be weight onto the wall or the chair. Take your left arm out to the side of your body. Then finally, take the right arm and see if you can challenge your balance in your star pose. Nice, deep inhale in and exhaling out. And final time here, deep inhale in and exhaling out. And then as you inhale, release your arms down. As you exhale, lower the left foot down. Finally, go to one of your chairs or your wall, and let's go back to those heel raises one last time. Check in that your feet are hip distance apart. Allow your body to be nice and tall, and see if you can brace into your abdominals here. What you were doing when you were pushing into your leg. Then take an inhale, lift nice and high again, waking up those calves one last time. Exhale, slowly lower down. 4 more repetitions. We need calf strength for balance. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, slowly lowering down. Inhaling, lifting for your third heel raise. Exhaling down, nice and slow. The slower down, the better. Inhale and lift. Exhaling and down. And final time, inhaling and lifting. And exhaling and down. Then gently take yourself away from your wall, away from your chairs. Take your feet hip distance apart. Take an inhale and lift your arms all the way up overhead. And as you exhale, bring your hands down to the center of your heart. Quick, easy things to do to prevent balance issues and falls as we age. Take a nice deep inhale into your belly. And exhaling out. Namaste. The highest in me salutes the highest in you. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up as well as subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.